Hello, this is Amina. Welcome to HW News English. In Maharashtra, a BJP MLA has been booked for his provocative and anti-Muslim speech. This MLA was seen threatening to kill Muslims on camera. Now, before we start with the story, have a look at the clip of this MLA.
वापिस एक बार अगर हमारे रामगिरी महाराज के तरफ समझ लो पाहिजे नहीं तो बोलतील ये तो मराठी में बोल के गया मेरे को कुछ समझे ही नहीं, इसलिए तेरे को जो भाषा में समझता है ना वो भाषा में धमकी देके जा रहा हूँ। हमारे रामगिरी महाराज के खिलाफ अगर कुछ भी मस्ती तुम लोगों ने किसने भी की तो तुम्हारे मस्जिदों के अंदर आके चुन चुन के मारेंगे, इतना ध्यान में रखो।
Here the person you see is BJP MLA Nitesh Rane. On 1st September in Ahmednagar district, he made this provocative speech. Here he could be heard openly threatening Muslims. He could be heard saying, "If anyone says anything against our Ramgiri Maharaj, we will come to the mosque and kill them one by one." This was Nitesh Rane's remark. He has issued clarification from his end. We will come to it a little later. First, let me tell you about what exactly happened. MLA Nitesh Rane's speech was part of an event in Ahmednagar. The event was part of Sakal Hindu Samaj agitation. According to reports, Nitesh Rane on 1st September delivered two provocative speeches on two different occasions in Srirampur and Topkhana police jurisdiction of Ahmednagar district. The two FIRs against him are registered against him in these two different jurisdictions. After he made this provocative speech, two FIRs have been registered against him. He has been booked under sections 302 and 153 and other sections of the Indian Penal Code. Nitesh Rane, after this rally, held a meeting where he made this threatening remark. Now let's see what led to this provocative speech by Nitesh Rane. It started when a few days ago, Mahant Ramgiri Maharaj, who is a religious leader, made alleged derogatory remarks about Islam and Prophet Muhammad. He made these alleged derogatory remarks during a religious event in Maharashtra's Nasik district. Multiple FIRs have been registered against Ramgiri Maharaj at various places in Maharashtra. After Ramgiri Maharaj made these alleged derogatory remarks, rallies were taken out against Ramgiri Maharaj in different districts of Maharashtra. And now after this, a rally was taken in Ahmednagar in support of Ramgiri Maharaj by Hindu community. This rally in Ahmednagar was taken under the leadership of BJP's Nitesh Rane. After Nitesh Rane's provocative speech went viral, AIMIM leader Waris Pathan shared the video of Nitesh Rane on X and said that BJP wants to incite communal violence in Maharashtra just before the assembly elections. Now let's see what Nitesh Rane has to say. After his statement stirred controversy, he issued a statement. Nitesh Rane says that he stands by his remark. While speaking to India Today, Nitesh Rane said, "Why should I apologize? I am a Hindu before being an MLA. I stand by my statement." Well, Nitesh Rane has history of making such kind of statements. In 2023, during Navratri festival, Nitesh Rane had demanded that only Hindus should be permitted to participate in the Dandiya events. Nitesh Rane had claimed concerns about love jihad and religious conversions. Nitesh had asked for a strict entry checks which should be Aadhaar based. This was to ensure that only Hindus could participate in the Navratri related events. Then in January of 2024, Nitesh Rane was booked along with T. Raja Singh for allegedly delivering hate speech. The remark was made in Solapur district during a Hindu Jan Akrosh rally. Nitesh Rane mentioned about jihadis and demolition of mosque in his statement. Well, that's all for this news report. Till then, keep watching HW News English and download our app News Shorts to get the latest news and updates. Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.